What's up, guys? It's Fred. This is gonna be a little bit different vlog than you're used to seeing from us. We get asked all the time what kind of camera equipment we use, so we're gonna take this advantage while we're at home, have the afternoon off. We're gonna go ahead and go over all the camera equipment we have, what we use, how we use it, and just so there's no mystery anymore, since you guys keep asking what we use. So let's go ahead and take you inside and show you what we got.
Coda!
Hey, it's Stinson.
Hey, hi.
This will be the one time you're on camera. Say hi.
Hi. Bye.
So he's not gonna be on camera anymore for the rest of the video.
That's it. All right, this is a behind the scenes of the camera shot that you guys probably saw at the beginning of this video. It's taken about a total hour of preparation for this shot, which is gonna be like 2 seconds long. Maybe 2 seconds long in the vlog. So you guys better appreciate it.
All right, guys, this is a video we've wanted to make for a while. We get asked all the time in comments, at events, on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere pretty much, what kind of camera equipment do we use? And we're gonna go over that today. We're gonna go over where Kyle started way back in the day to where we're at today, all the equipment we've gotten along the way, what we use, how we use it, all that type of stuff. So let's go ahead and jump on into it.
It's called Sis Kill.
What we do here is go back.
All right, guys, we're gonna go take it way back to 2003 to 2006 era. This is way before any of us ever helped Kyle. Kyle was doing it on his own. This is a little Sony point and shoot camera. It shoots for very, very, very bad quality video, but this is what we started with right here. Kyle said he went through about 4 or 5 of these things. He said they're not very good with water at all. Like one little water droplet will fry the entire thing. So this is the last one that I think still works that he had, that he knows where it is anyway. So he shot with this, and then he moved on to this Home Alone looking camera right here. That's a nice little screen. It's very just a old version of what we use now. Just very Sony Handycam, just nice and portable. If you guys go ahead and scroll back to our old videos from like 2008, this right here, this Handycam would be what it was shot on. Very poor quality compared to what we do today, but this is what we had, and it did just fine for what Kyle needed, and it's a trooper. I think it still probably works if we wanted to plug it in and do some retro filming, but we're not gonna do that. And then a few years down the line, GoPro became a thing, and this is a Hero 2. We borrowed this one from the Smithsonian. I don't even know if it works anymore, but this is Hero 2. This was the first GoPro Kyle got. Circa, what, TX2K 2011. He had, I think the other day he said he had 49 GoPro clips in TX2K 11, which was a lot. I think we have 34 hours of footage from street stuff from TX2K this year, if that puts in perspective. So this is the OG equipment that Kyle had still laying around. That's kind of where it started. And now we're going to show you guys our newer equipment and how much of that we actually have.
No strain on your back?
All right, we moved on from the Handycam here to one of our bigger cameras, our Sony cams. We actually first started shooting with these when they shot onto actual film, not an SD card. And the thing that sucked most about film was if you took 10 hours of footage, it takes 10 hours to import it for our editor. So very easy decision to switch to SD cards on that one. This is one of our newest cameras we have. We have 12 of these cameras now. It's a Sony HXR NX5R. It is about $3,000 a piece. And I know what you're thinking, you guys never have that many cameramen at a spot at one time. Well, yes and no. For most trips that we go on, there'll be 2 videographers, and we'll take 3 or 4 cameras just in case, you know, accidents happen, a camera decides to malfunction, have an error, we take an extra camera all the time. Then there's events like TX2K where we actually do take every single camera we have, and I think every single camera we took this trip was used. These are our primary shooter for street racing, track racing, anything like that. We shoot with these because they're great for zooming, focusing on things by themselves. It's great in low light. These cameras here shoot in 1080p. We get asked quite a bit why we don't shoot in 4K, and there's a couple different reasons for that. The biggest deterrent for us to switch to 4K is, like I said, we have 12 of these cameras, so we'd have to replace all of our big cameras with cameras that shoot in 4K, which is probably about 50 grand.
No. 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 No.
Another reason we don't shoot in 4K is about 60% of our views are from cell phones, which I'm sure a lot of you guys right now are watching this on a cell phone. And more than likely, your cell phone does not project in 4K. So if we shot in 4K, you wouldn't even be able to see it unless you hooked up your computer to a 4K TV and then watched it on that. So it's not even worth it for our viewers, most of our viewers, to watch it in 4K. So we don't need to shoot in 4K right now. If that seems to be something we move to in the future, maybe, but right now we don't need to do that. These work just fine for us and works great for you guys. So guys, that's going to go and do it for us at day 1 of TX2K. If you guys see a car in this video you like, let us know in the comments below. Okay. That looks kind of weird now. I'm sorry. Alright guys, moving right along. We have 2 of these. They are Canon G7Xs. These are our primary vlog cameras right here. So most of the vlogs and footage and everything like that you're going to see on this UNCUT channel probably going to be filmed with one of these. We have 2 of them just in case, you know, we want to take one on a trip and vlog something. The editors want to vlog something too. We leave one at home for them. So one of the best features of these for being a vlog camera is the screen pops out and you can actually see yourself, see what's in frame, see what's in view. That way you're not cutting your own head off or anything like that. These cameras have done great for the little bit of vlogging we've done. If you're looking to get into vlogging, I guess that's kind of what we did. We just kind of Googled what camera would be good for vlogging. Canon G7X Mark II. We have 2 of them. So there you go. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get into our GoPro hoard we have here. We have about 20 GoPros right now. We've had, I think, over 30. Over time, GoPros will fall off, very rarely, but they do fall off sometimes of cars that we put them on. And if you put them on a car and the car wrecks, that's not good for the GoPro either. So we have about 20 GoPros left that are in service. We use them all the time. We have a few of these sessions that we use as helmet cams, so put them on somebody's helmet. Gets a really cool view of what the person is looking at and, you know, all that good stuff, the inside cockpit view. This is a regular GoPro branded suction cup mount, nothing fancy, just one suction cup. And then for inside shots, if we're not attaching it to the inside of a window, we use this is our roll bar mount right here. And this is made by flymount.com, and it was actually designed for windsurfing. Those are 2 mounts we use, GoPro Suction Cup and the Fly Mount from flymount.com. So there you go, that's what we use for GoPros and interior shots and all that kind of stuff. So there you go.
Well, dang.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have this.
I'll take this.
Here we have our little Mavic. This is one of our 3 drones that we've had. This is the one drone that we have here that works right now. This is our little Mavic, and he does great. Best little drone you can probably get on the market. Our Phantom 3s are great, but this just for the price point, if you're looking to get into camera equipment and you're looking to buy a drone, a little Mavic will do just fine for you. That's what we use. So it's about $1,000 right there. I think our Phantoms were 1,300 maybe. Yeah, so that's what we got for drones, and that's what we use right now. There you go.
This is everything you need to know to get up to speed on Formula One.
I'll be like, now you guys are up to speed on what we shoot
Don't say
with.
up to speed. Because that's Dona Media's thing. You can't say that.
Oh, I guess you're right. I didn't even think of that. All right, guys, that's going to go ahead and do it. Now there is absolutely no mystery on what we shoot on. It's never been a mystery. Anybody that's asked us, we will tell you right away what the camera is, what we're shooting on. So yeah, that is all the camera equipment that we use for filming. Don't know what else to say here. This is the Sony A7S. It's not the brand new A7S III. This is the A7S, just the first one, I guess. And this is what we use for our green screen stuff, as you can see. And it does great for that kind of thing. Hi.
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. If you have not checked out our merch store recently, we have over 100 items on there with a bunch of new releases. We're gonna have a link in the description below. Also, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, comment on this video. We wanna hear from you guys. We wanna get some feedback. Let us know what you guys think about this behind the scenes stuff, our vlogs, what you guys wanna see on here. We wanna hear all the comments you guys have. Until then, we'll see you guys in the next video.